Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Fiona, the Shrek version, on Dress to Impress. I did use one VIP item. If you don't have the ears, you don't need it. Select this hair in this color, CD6234, and then the same for this one. Position the Y at 0.54, then this one too, 944725. Position the Y at 0.51, Z 0.56, and scale it to 0.59. For the outfit, I'm just going to grab this one. Actually, might grab this outfit. I just remembered that we have this. Let's see which one looks best. I'm just going to color it this color in denim. And then let's do this lighter color. I think I'm just going to make it a little bit brighter here, like this color maybe. And let me just change the color of my nails as well, and like that lighter green. And then we're going to make that the same in denim as well. And then the lace, maybe just the same. And let's do like the lighter one for the accents. I don't know how that's gonna work, but we'll see later. Then for the like sleeves, I'm going to use this one in sleeves only and color it that green in denim. Then we're going to make that gold in metallic. Then I am going to use these sleeves as well. Can't really then see the gold, but it's fine. This in denim, and then metallic gold, then gold. For the skirt, use this one here in only skirt, and then this in denim, and then again in denim. Hello, there we go. Then I'm going to get this skirt here in green in denim, and then, oh wait, wrong, we're just going to use this one actually, so don't make it denim, just make it matte. And then this, make that matte again, and then the same. I might yeah, and then the same for every other thing. I might add in some gold accents actually, like this. Then for the shoes, we're going to use these ones in just green. Maybe add some gold on that. Then for the necklace, it's going to be another gold and green. We're going to toggle to the second toggle, and we're going to color that gold and green. You can add a crown, but I'm just going to keep it simple without it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Forgot the ears. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!